Hey guys, running Kimono here. So, oh my gosh, look what I got in the mail. This beautiful tumbler from the Coldest water. They are today's sponsor of this video, and there's a lot more that we're going to talk about with the Coldest water. I have been using their products for about 2 years. It is the best quality to bring water with you. Sometimes you're going out there shopping, couponing, especially if you're in a hotter climate. Even up here in the summertime, I hate paying for water. I think many of you are in the same situation, like you hate paying for water or, a beverage or something like that. But these bottles really keep your beverage cold. Ice cold. And there's something to it because I have 2 other ones and I just love this product. So we're just going to do a quick unboxing, and they reached out to me a couple weeks back saying, hey, we'd like to do something with your channel. And I was like, oh my gosh, absolutely, because I love this product. And this is what they sent me. It's a 20-ounce tumbler in this gorgeous purple, and they put my name on it as well. Like, what a beautiful personal touch there. This will fit perfectly in my car, and it is just a gorgeous color. So thank you so much, Coldest Water, for the beautiful tumbler and for sponsoring this video. How cool is this, guys? Okay, guys, and because they love couponers, they have a special link that they shared with me where you guys can enter to possibly win some of their merch, which is like really, really cool. So please check that out. It will be linked at the very top of the notes. Very easy to do, and like how cool is that? And then if you wanted to twin like me, the cup that they sent me is $23.99, so like a really reasonably priced bottle, and it has a beautiful lid on top. And they are also offering a promotion code Kimono to get 10% off your entire order. So if you're interested, please check out the link in the notes. Okay, guys, and just a little weather report for you. Those little cute kittens are still outside, and we've just been enjoying them quite a bit. And it's kind of a cooler one here today in Michigan. Hi to my mom if she's watching. So the first store that we have is Walgreens, and I tried to do the 6 off of 12 and the 4 off of 18. One thing I will let you guys know is the Swanson broth was a no-go for me. Here's why. Someone, in fact, cleared the store, so there was not a single can of broth to be had or found. 59 cents is a killer price. IBOTTA either has a 50-cent off of 5 or the dollar off 2, depending what your account got. Go out and get your really inexpensive broth, guys. And I'm noticing that most stores don't carry a lot, but anyhow, you can slice it or dice it, go and do it. And to whomever cleared out my store, a job well done, because I really wanted that broth. I am officially done with those goofy boosters. Basically, what's happening with me, guys, is that I tried today again and neither booster would come off. I had a very nice cashier at the store who helped me out, so it worked out that way. She credited the 6 and the 4,000 points to my store card, but I was online trying to do online deals with the 6 off of 12, and I never completed the order. And I think what I did for both transaction 1 and transaction 2 that I'm showing you here, I messed it up somehow. So that kind of stinks, but I was still able to get my points. So I'm going to call it good for this week. I don't even want to think about those boosters anymore, because I think of the 5 or 6 I had, only like 2 worked. But sometimes that happens. It's like one of 6,000 goofy rules over there. So for this first basket, we have a Nestle's Crunch. These are part of the 2 for $1. We have a Baby Ruth. I had a quarter coupon that I used with that one. And for whatever reason, a lot of these were missing from the store. Like somebody went and bought all of them. So anyhow, I got 2 of those. 2 for $1, these 2. And then I got 2 of these Revlon tweezers, and they are $2.44 each on a 30% off. And when you buy 2 of them, you will get this $5 register reward. So how fantastic is that? And then I also got a Downy for $2.99. And then the Scott's toilet paper for $5 on the nose. So adding my entire basket up together, that's $13.87. I scanned the $1.25 IVC for the Scott's. And then I had a quarter coupon for that Baby Ruth. So the new total was $12.37. Now, in theory, that 6 off of 12 should have came off. So my new total would be $6.37. I could use points at this point, and then get back my $5 register reward for Revlon, and then 25 cents for Scott. So it would make my basket after everything was said and done $1.12, but that was not the case because the 6 off of 12, it was acting up really bad. So lesson learned, if you're going to mess around online, I think when you try to do this stuff in store, it's not going to work. But that printed, I was very happy about that. But still, $1.12 for this basket is not the worst thing. Hey guys, so for the second haul, I was trying to use the 4 off of 18, and I thought because I was only messing with the 6 off of 12 that in theory I should be able to use that 4 off of 18 and it wouldn't hurt to try it once, right? And it did not work for me. Thankfully, the cashier helped me out and gave me the 4,000 points. I got 2 of those baby Ruths, 4 of these bounce dryer sheets. They are in a buy 3 get 1 for free, and they're 105 count, and then that white one was also included. So I was like, oh my gosh, because it's scent free, so if you're allergic to everything, that's a great one to grab. And I also got an all pack. So this was my $18 basket. So adding everything up together, and I got 4 of those bounces just to show you again, 2 of these and then 1 of the alls. That's $18.96. I presented 2 quarter coupons from a recent smart source, $1 for the all, and then a $2 from the October P&G for the dryer sheets. Very specific coupon where I could only use 1 of those for that. Plus, I also threw in one $6 register reward. So if that 4 off of 18 would come off, my new total would be $5.46. I could use points if I wish. And it would basically make my haul $5.46 for the 7 items, which isn't too bad. Okay, guys, now we're going to talk about Rite Aid, and I redid the Playtex deal because it's such a great deal. These guys with your gold discount are $4.79. There's a $2 manufacturer coupon from a recent insert. You'll pay $2.79. Ibotta has a $2 rebate back, so it drops each box of Playtex down to 79 cents, and the limit I could do that was twice per store card. Okay, so now we have a deal for some free diapers over at Rite Aid. The Snug and Dries are $8.99 this week, part of a sales price, and there's a double dip on the ones on the left, I believe, an extra $3, and you could do it up to 2 times. So grabbing 4 bags of the Huggies at $8.99, that's $35.96, and the Colgate is $3.03 with your gold discount, so that was $6.06. So the total for the basket was $42.02, subtracting 4 $2 coupons from the October 11th Smart Source. That's $8 right there. There's a $3 in-ad coupon plus a 3 off of 2 digital. That's $9 off right there. The new total I had to pay was $25.02. You can roll bonus cash if you have it. And then you'll get back $16 in bonus cash, a $5 on your next order store cat. Plus, Ibotta has $1 back for each Snug and Dry that you can do up to 4 times. So it basically shakes this guy out to, you know, a free order, which is really fantastic. And special shout out to Ravi. This is in fact his deal. And I believe this one that I'm pointing at is kicking back the extra $3 of bonus cash. What you can do in store, guys, is check for the double tags. So whatever the sales price is this week, there will be another tag under it. But if you're looking for diapers, this is just a great one. And we barely see deals for like free diapers. So this is a tremendous deal. Thank you so much, Ravi. And before I take off, guys, I just want to give a very special thank you to the Coldest Water for sponsoring this video. I mean, look how cute it is, guys. It's a quality cup. This is going to probably last me the rest of my life. If you want to participate in their giveaway, check out the link in the notes. And if you want to shop their site, also check out the link in the notes. And don't forget to use the code Kimono for an extra 10% off. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.